We left the beachy vibes of Broome behind to yet another mishap. Also, we just got hit by a rock on the windscreen from a truck and now we have a big crack. Time to make a little fire to keep us warm later tonight and also to keep the bugs away because there are a few mosquitoes around and nobody likes those. Tonight, so is Pete going to turn into a werewolf? Oh. The following morning we went exploring the campsite a little bit more, which is actually set on somebody's property. Not sure if this was one long creature or if you're doing the conga line. Leave us a comment if you know what's going on here. We're in the riverbed now. It's just so crazy to think that this big river was full of water at some point. Look at this big truck! Look at this big truck! Peter, are you gonna fix it?
You just need to put a spanner.
This thing is massive! There's also a locomotive to have a look at, pretty cool. A van next to that giant truck. It just looks like a giant toy and that van looks like nothing compared to it. Always lovely seeing a bit of blue sea after being in the bush for a few days. The breeze is lovely.
There's bloody buildings!
We're back in civilization. We're about to get to Karatha now. Sorry, Pete.
Scared. There's no traffic! Oh my god, there's no traffic light!
But even in Broome, they didn't have a traffic light, so we're a bit overwhelmed. This is pretty cool. This gas plant is providing free water to us travelers. Thank you, guys. Just arrived at 40 Mile Beach and it is busy. People everywhere here. It's a long weekend, so I think that's why. And also because the camping ground is right on the beach. After a couple of relaxing nights there, we got back on the road. The dusty, dusty road. This beautiful spot was also home to hundreds of corellas. These noisy buggers didn't care about waking us up at 4 a.m. We were welcomed by one of the caretakers who roamed the park on bicycles and followed her to our campsite. Hi guys, today we're staying in a campground set in a cattle station, which is very different and very funky. Just let's take a look around. Here's one for Dad. You will need the old concrete roller from the other place at Paranella Park to play on this court. Very nice and flat and smooth. Sorry?
You got any beer?
Sorry?
You got any beer?
Where?
Beer. You can all have a flat white cappuccino.
In the evening, we took our camping chairs to the communal campfire. John, a local resident of 10 years in the park, shared some stories with us, as well as some homemade damper he prepared earlier. We all had a good time and toasted to happy and safe travels.